Hospitals in India have been asked to standardize their tariff rate by the Supreme Court of India. So, by standardizing the tariff rate, what happens is that the patients would be on the upper hand. The patients can be at ease. They need not have any sort of hesitation while visiting a hospital whether their tariff would be high or low. So, that's what I've discussed kind of in my previous video, whether the tariff rate is directly related to the ambience of the hospital. But on the other hand, the private sectors and the new startups hospitals would be affected to the core. Why? Because every hospital would have set their own budget, and based on the revenue that they generate should be higher than the budget set by them. Then only they'll make at least a profit, or if they are in the initial state, they can at least survive. So all these categories, all the budget are set and framed by the hospital based on the employee working in a hospital, the what do you say, the infrastructures in the sense the medical equipments that they have procured. So based on all these aspects, they would have set their budget and they would have framed their tariff. And for every procedure, they work on the bed charge, the staff, the doctor working for an hour based on his experience. So all these aspects are actually included to set a tariff for a particular procedure and for a particular treatment or a surgery. Now the government have asked every hospital to be transparent with their tariff. So any patient who visits a hospital can and need to know the tariff of a particular hospital. They can inquire and they can ask what are the services provided by them. But the only thing that as a patient or a patient relative you need to remember is that you need to know how to compare different hospitals. So you need to compare two hospitals who are having the same vision and mission or the same criteria. So you cannot compare a single specialty hospital with a multi-specialty hospital. So the hospitals are varying and unique based on the services they provide. It can be on the basis of the category of hospital. They can be multi-specialty, single specialty, they can be a PHC, and based on the patients visiting a hospital. It can be a gender-based hospital, exclusively only for the females, and it can be based on the age category, so a pediatric group, or it can be for a geriatric group. So all these different categories has been set. So if we have to unify all the categories and all these under one umbrella, it can be really difficult for the hospitals. But on the other hand, it is really essential for the hospitals to be transparent with their tariff rate to the patient.